me your hands! Show me your hands!
June 13th of 2023 was a rainy day in Miller County, Arkansas. ASP Trooper Jordan Drake was patrolling Highway 67 when he spotted a silver Chevy Camaro driving without its lights. The rear license plate was also hard to read. As the driver pulled over, he secretly sized up Trooper Drake's squad car. He believed his Camaro could outpace our officer's low-profile Chevy Tahoe. It was Chevy versus Chevy on these slick Arkansas highways.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Keep your hands up and get out the vehicle now! Get out the vehicle! Keep your hands up! I just Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up now!
Yes, sir.
Get out!